Where's Giovanni? There he is! Hi, Giovanni! Hello! Hi, buddy! Where's Giovanni? There he is!
There he is!
Hi, little guy!
Yay, little boy!
Where did he go? Where's Giovanni at? There he is! Hi, Giovanni! Oh, hi! Where's Giovanni? There he is! Hi, Giovanni! Oh, yay! Yay, little boys! You're supposed to hide yourself, son. I'm so excited! Where's Giovanni?
There he is! Yay, little boy!
Yay, little boy! Poof, where did he go? Where's Giovanni?
There he is!
Hi! He's so not interested in rehiding himself. Yay, little boy! Poof, where's Giovanni? There he is! Hi, Giovanni!
Where's Giovanni?
Where is he? There he is! Hi,
Yay, little boys!
Hi, buddy! Where's Giovanni? Where'd he go? There he is! Yay!
Yay, little boys!
Where's Giovanni? Where'd he go?
Where is he?
Where's there?
There he is! Yay!
Where's
Giovanni?
Where'd he go?
Where is he?
Where's Giovanni?
Yay! There he is!
Yay, Giovanni! Where's Giovanni? Where'd he go? Where is he? There he is! Yay, Giovanni! Where's Giovanni? There he is! Yay, little boy! Yay, Giovanni!
Where's Giovanni?
There he is! Yay! Oh, yay!
So the question is, where is he? Oh,
There he is! There he is! Where's Giovanni? There he is!
Yay, little boys!
There he is!
Yay!
Yay! Where's Giovanni? Where is he? There he is! There he is! Hi, buddy!
So the question is, who's getting a bigger kick out of this, him or us?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
I think him.
Yeah.
Come on, are you going to learn to clap now, too?
Where'd he go? Where's Giovanni?
There he is! Yay, little boy!
Hey! Oh, he almost did it.
Yay!
Yay, Giovanni! Poof. Where'd he go? Where's Giovanni? There he is!
Yay, little boy!
Yay, Giovanni!
I'm so tired.
I think I'm...
Alright, bud, we'll put the camera away for now.